Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up your settings. From here, the main settings page, you want to scroll down to battery section and simply turn on the low power mode. So continue, and it becomes enabled. Now, as you can see, there's a little message under that saying that low power mode temporarily reduces background activities like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So meaning that once you charge your device, it will disable this. And what it means by download and fetch is when the device is basically in this state locked, it will preserve battery by disconnecting from mobile networks and Wi-Fi, just so it can save up a little bit of battery. Now this will be automatically reconnected and everything will be resynced once you actually interact with the device again. So when you unlock it, it does everything and, well, brings back whatever you were missing. And like I mentioned before, once you fully charge your device, it turns off this option. But you can turn it off prematurely yourself by simply tapping on the toggle in the battery section again to turn it off. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.